Imagine a world where every project decision you make is backed by unshakable confidence, where guesswork is eliminated, dependencies are controlled, and increases your project success rates. This isn't science fiction. It's the power of data-driven decision-making in project management, supercharged by cutting-edge AI tools. This isn't science fiction. It's the power of data-driven decision-making in project management, supercharged by cutting-edge AI tools. But here's the kicker. Most project managers are completely in the dark about how to harness this game-changing approach. In this video, we're going to pull back the curtain on the secret weapons that top-tier project managers are using to leave their competition in the dust. You'll discover how AI is revolutionizing the way we analyze data, predict outcomes, and make lightning-fast decisions that can mean the difference between project failure and runaway success. But be warned, once you see the mind-blowing potential of these AI-powered techniques, you'll never look at project management the same way again. Are you ready to join the elite ranks of data-driven decision-makers? Buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey with top 5 AI tools that will transform your approach to project management forever. Tableau is a powerful data visualization and business intelligence tool that helps project managers transform raw data into actionable insights. With its intuitive interface and drag-and-drop functionality, Tableau allows you to create interactive dashboards and reports that make complex data easily understandable. By visualizing project metrics, resource allocation, and performance indicators, you can quickly identify trends, bottlenecks, and areas for improvement. One of Tableau's key strengths is its ability to connect to various data sources, including databases, spreadsheets, and cloud-based applications. This allows you to consolidate data from multiple projects or departments, giving you a holistic view of your organization's performance. Tableau's AI-powered features, such as natural language processing and machine learning algorithms, can automatically suggest relevant visualizations and uncover hidden patterns in your data. With over 86,000 customer accounts worldwide, Tableau has become a go-to solution for data-driven decision-making in project management. Its scalability and flexibility make it suitable for businesses of all sizes, from startups to large enterprises. Power BI, developed by Microsoft, is another popular business analytics tool that empowers project managers to make data-driven decisions. Like Tableau, Power BI offers a user-friendly interface for creating interactive visualizations and dashboards. However, Power BI's tight integration with other Microsoft products, such as Excel and Azure, gives it a unique advantage for organizations already invested in the Microsoft ecosystem. One of Power BI's standout features is its natural language query capability. You can simply type or speak questions about your data, and Power BI will generate relevant visualizations and insights. This feature makes it easier for project managers to explore data without requiring extensive technical knowledge. Power BI also offers robust data modeling capabilities, allowing you to create complex relationships between different data sources. This is particularly useful for project managers dealing with multiple interconnected projects or teams. By leveraging Power BI's AI-driven insights, you can uncover correlations and dependencies that might not be immediately apparent. With over 250,000 organizations using Power BI, it has established itself as a leading tool for data analysis and visualization in project management. Its cloud-based architecture ensures that your team can access up-to-date information from anywhere, promoting collaboration and informed decision-making. Smartsheet is a cloud-based work execution platform that combines the familiar interface of spreadsheets with powerful project management and collaboration features. While not primarily focused on data visualization like Tableau or Power BI, Smartsheet offers AI-powered capabilities that can significantly enhance your project management processes. One of Smartsheet's key strengths is its ability to automate routine tasks and workflows. By leveraging AI and machine learning, Smartsheet can suggest automation rules based on your team's behavior and project patterns. This not only saves time, but also reduces the risk of human error in repetitive tasks. Smartsheet's AI-powered resource management features help you optimize team allocation and workload balancing. By analyzing historical data and current project requirements, Smartsheet can suggest the most efficient way to distribute tasks among team members, ensuring that your resources are used effectively. The platform also offers predictive analytics capabilities, allowing you to forecast project timelines and budgets based on historical data and current progress. This helps you identify potential risks and make proactive decisions to keep your projects on track. With over 8 million users across 190 countries, Smartsheet has proven its value in enhancing project management efficiency and decision-making processes. ClickUp is a comprehensive project management and productivity platform that incorporates AI-powered features to streamline workflows and improve decision-making. Unlike traditional project management tools, ClickUp offers a highly customizable interface that can adapt to various project methodologies and team structures. One of ClickUp's standout AI features is its natural language processing capabilities. You can use conversational commands to create tasks, set reminders, or generate reports, making it easier to manage projects on the go. The platform's AI can also analyze your team's communication patterns and suggest ways to improve collaboration and productivity. ClickUp's machine learning algorithms can predict task completion times based on historical data and team performance. This helps project managers set more accurate deadlines and allocate resources more effectively. The platform also offers AI-powered time tracking and estimation features, which can help you identify bottlenecks and optimize your team's workflow. Another innovative feature of ClickUp is its AI-driven insights engine. By analyzing project data and team activities, ClickUp can provide personalized recommendations for improving productivity and project outcomes. These insights can range from suggesting task prioritization to identifying potential risks before they become issues. With over 4 million users worldwide, ClickUp has quickly gained popularity among project managers looking for a flexible, AI-enhanced solution to improve their decision-making processes. Trello, owned by Atlassian, is a widely used project management tool known for its simple, card-based interface. While Trello's core functionality is straightforward, it has incorporated AI-powered features to enhance its capabilities and support data-driven decision-making in project management. One of Trello's key AI features is its smart card suggestions. As you create new cards or move existing ones, Trello's AI analyzes patterns in your board usage and suggests relevant labels, due dates, and team members to assign. This not only saves time, but also helps maintain consistency across your projects. Trello's AI-powered Butler automation tool allows you to create custom rules and commands to automate repetitive tasks. By learning from your team's behavior, Butler can suggest automation recipes that can significantly streamline your workflow. For example, it might recommend automatically moving cards to specific lists when certain conditions are met, or sending notifications to team members based on card activity. The platform also offers AI-driven insights through its dashboard view. By analyzing your board data, Trello can provide visualizations of task distribution, completion rates, and team performance. These insights help project managers identify trends, spot potential issues, and make informed decisions about resource allocation and project timelines. Trello's integration capabilities allow you to connect with other data analysis tools, expanding its potential for data-driven decision-making. By linking Trello with platforms like Tableau or Power BI, you can create more comprehensive dashboards that combine project management data with other business metrics. With over 50 million users, Trello has established itself as a versatile and user-friendly project management tool that leverages AI to enhance productivity and decision-making. In conclusion, these AI-powered tools, Tableau, Power BI, Smartsheet, ClickUp, and Trello, offer project managers a range of capabilities to improve data-driven decision-making. From advanced data visualization and predictive analytics to automated workflows and intelligent insights, these platforms can significantly enhance your ability to analyze data, predict trends, and make informed decisions. The choice of tool will depend on your specific needs, team size, and existing technology stack. However, regardless of which platform you choose, incorporating these AI-powered tools into your project management processes can can lead to more accurate forecasting, better resource allocation, and ultimately improved project outcomes. As you implement these tools, remember that they are meant to augment your decision-making process, not replace it entirely. The insights and recommendations provided by AI should be considered alongside your expertise and understanding of your team and projects. By combining the power of AI with your experience and judgment, you can make more informed decisions that drive project success. Moreover, these tools can help foster a data-driven culture within your organization. By making data more accessible and understandable to all team members, you can encourage evidence-based decision-making at all levels. This can lead to better alignment between team members, improved communication, and a shared understanding of project goals and progress. It's also worth noting that as AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect these tools to become even more sophisticated and capable. Future developments may include more advanced predictive analytics, natural language processing for easier data querying, and even AI-assisted project planning and risk assessment. As a project manager, staying informed about these technological advancements and being open to incorporating new tools can give you a competitive edge. However, it's crucial to carefully evaluate each tool's fit for your specific needs and ensure proper training and adoption within your team. Remember that successful implementation of these AI-powered tools often requires a shift in mindset and processes. Encourage your team to embrace data-driven decision-making and provide the necessary support and training to maximize the benefits of these tools. In the fast-paced world of project management, the ability to make quick, informed decisions can be the difference between project success and failure. By leveraging AI-powered tools like Tableau, Power BI, Smartsheet, ClickUp, and Trello, you can enhance your decision-making capabilities, improve project outcomes, and drive your organization towards greater success. Start exploring these AI-powered project management tools today to transform your decision-making process and achieve better project outcomes.